Okay, I'm going to do this first one for you, and then you're going to fill it in. The first thing you need to do, step one, use the periodic table and determine the number of protons. I also have this symbol here, so I know that this is hydrogen, and I need to use this periodic table. That is atomic number 1. So we're going to write in here, replace that number symbol with a 1. There's 1 proton. Okay, step 2, use the mass number provided in the symbol and the protons to calculate the number of neutrons and type those into the nucleus. Okay, so if hydrogen is atomic number 1, has 1 proton, to figure out the neutrons, I have to use this mass number provided, not the one on the periodic table. That's not mass number, that's atomic mass, using the mass number. So that would be 2 for the mass minus the 1 proton, so that would normally be here. That would give me 1 neutron. Okay, next step. Assume that all atoms are neutral and determine the number of electrons. Use this to fill in the Bohr diagram by filling in the appropriate number of circles. Okay, so since this is neutral, if it has 1 proton, it has 1 electron. I'm going to pick one of these 2. We always start at the first shell, the K shell, and I'm going to fill that in. Here's how you do it. Just click on the circle. Then there's this little bucket here that says fill color. Click on that, pick a color, and there it is. It's filled in. The rest are empty. That's because this hydrogen only has 1 electron. Let's go back to the directions. Create an electron dot structure on the bottom left by filling in the circles according to the number of valence electrons. Okay, the number of valence electrons is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. For this hydrogen, its outermost shell is the first shell, and it has only 1 electron in that shell. So we're going to go with 1 electron here. So I'll put it in one of these top ones here, and I just need to click on it. I'm going to fill it with a color. I chose blue. Okay, that would complete hydrogen. Now that's going to change for each of your other ones because they have a different amount of protons and a different amount of neutrons and a different amount of electrons.